just driving up, and obviously I think that's what we'll come to look at today. Renault Master, really nice. So, let's go meet
Gary and Denise,
and see if we can have a look inside.
28.
Well, we came to look at this Renault Master, which has been converted, but Gary and Denise have also got this, which is a Kangoo with a loo, and they've kitted this out previously. Let's just have a look inside, and wow, how to make the use of a small space. You got nice big work surface, worktop, fridge, all the electrics, lights, sink, and a little cooker. So overhead lockers. This has got everything, and coming out to awnings is tucked away inside the back door. So that's fine. So yeah, so that just all drops out, and then creates a smashing area, covered area. So that is what I call utilising space as much as you can. That's amazing. Just all clips in. It's done. Toilet, set toilet down there. And the loo. As I say, Kangoo with a loo. Sliding door on the side door.
So you built this one from scratch, Gary?
Yes. Yep. And then these fold forward.
You disappeared. Where are you? It's amazing.
Sliding door on the side door.
So you built this one from scratch, Gary?
Yes. Yep. And then these fold forward, and then the bed actually extends all the way up to here. So in other words, it's not just that part; it goes all the way up to here.
Morning.
33.
Oh, sorry.
Come on then, move the chairs forward.
You're doing it now?
Yeah, why not?
The bed goes through to the driver's side. Driver's seat drops down, folds down. And there's your...
It's really amazing what you can do with a small space.
Then you put the wood across there. And
yeah. So that's the platform. So the wood goes, the bed base goes across the front, and the mattress is just... Bed base going in.
Do you want that piece? Under there. Put your hand underneath and just pull out.
That really is utilising the space. Everything you need.
Everything.
All tucked away.
Yeah. Blackouts for the front. There's a curtain to go across the front window.
And extractors.
So how long is it since you built this then?
We're still ongoing. There's a few little bits niggling.
Well, aren't there always?
A few little rattles and that need sorting out.
Yeah, there is.
So, and I've still got to finish the front vent out. So,
That's amazing.
It is, it's brilliant. We've seen some little vans, but this one is it's brilliant. And then you've got all the storage under there for an evening as well.
yes,
And on top, you've got the solar
and
panel.
here as well.
Yeah.
There you go. And a solar extractor.
Ah, right.
Better that off with the extractors on.
On top as well.
That's the solar extractor there.
Yep. Didn't use any power. Just
Solar panel comes down to power it all.
That is absolutely brilliant. Do you find these make a big difference for
yes,
condensation
they're
and stuff?
Have you made those?
yes.
Yes,
We-
like
we-
yourself.
They're too thick, so we're going to change them. We're changing the front one as well. We've got to
Yeah.
put on the inside magnetics on the inside, so it sticks onto the.
We've got the loo.
No, the electrics and the TV aerial go up front.
Brilliant, isn't it?
It is. Denise is just finishing showing us how the blackouts work.
They're not quite finished yet.
Not quite finished yet. There's only some
Pushing down there.
pushing down. There you are. Gary made these panels for the door windows. They just push into the rubber seal.
Shows
So,
what you can do with a small space. Everything you need.
on top as well, we've got a solar cell, solar panel that comes down to power it all. So that is a very neat little van.
Yeah, it's neat.
And then there's putting it away. And such an easy, simple storage system as well for the awning. Not having to worry of taking it all off, folding it all up, bagging it up. That's it, away.
And your gas,
And the
electric
gas
heater.
locker.
And a heater for the.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
On the water.
Yeah.
So it shows just what you can do with a small space. everything you need for a holiday away.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Came originally to look at the ambulance Renault, and how Gary and Denise are converting it. This is where we've got to so
This is
far.
Gary and Denise's new project, so very much at the beginning stages.
How Gary and Denise are converting it.
Love the colour. Takes us back to when we started with ours.
Stripped out all the internals and the panels. So what's that at the moment? Is that just a bed?
Click-clack bed.
Just a click-clack bed, yeah. Oh, yeah.
We started with ours.
So very quickly turns into your bed. Very simple.
Much posher than the one we had when we started with the sofa bed.
Yeah. Gary's looking at the insulation at the moment and keeping the bulkhead, unlike us. We took the bulkhead out, and lockers, fantastic storage space already there. So, yes.
This side is rip it all out, insulate it all, move this as far up to that side as I can, put the one from that side over there. That should leave me a gap here, somewhere around here, and then I will put a log burner, a small log burner,
That's going there.
on top of the worktop.
Right, yeah.
Tiny log burner.
So your worktops, kitchen's going to be.
All the kitchen's going to be all the way across here,
Yeah.
with the gas, the water, and
Yeah.
all down that side.
And your shower.
Shower, fridge, cutting that frame away, and possibly on that side, and a motorcycle here.
You've got to have the motorcycle in there.
Got to have a motorcycle.
Colour, black and yellow and black. Again, Gary and Denise are beekeepers, so it has to be the only colours really, wasn't it?
So is it going to have a name?
Yes.
We haven't sorted that yet.
We haven't sorted it yet. There's
Quite a few, but
quite a few.
we haven't found one yet that sticks.
I was tempted to sell wine and call it the Winebulance.
But it's too cheap down Spain, so it's
Too
not
cheap
worth
down
it.
Spain, so there's no point picking it up and trying to sell it. So.
Brilliant. Well, this is a project that we're going to follow with interest as well, and we'll bring you back again and show you as it does progress. It's so nice to see different people's interpretations with a vehicle this size.